fourth graders. Today we're going to be talking about our informational writing term 2 project. We're moving on to step 3, making a plan. So let's review our writing prompt really quick and what we're going to be doing for the next 2 days. In your own words, tell about how camels can live so well in the desert. Use information from the reading, video, and pictures in your essay. Your essay should contain facts and information about camels and be organized into 3 paragraphs. And today we're working on step 3, make a plan. Before we get started on step 3, I'd like you to pause this video and do this next step. You need to go back and you need to open your project detail wheel. So that's in the collecting information file. It's on Google Classroom. You'll want both tabs open here at the top of your screen because you're going to need your detail wheel to complete today's assignment. So pause the video, open your detail wheel, then press play when you're ready to continue with the instructions. Okay, now that you have your 2 tabs open, we're going to go ahead and introduce our writing concept that we're learning today. Today you're going to be learning about transition words. Transition words should be used to begin a new paragraph when you're adding detail or new evidence and concluding your essay. Oftentimes in your previous grade levels, you've used the words first, next, then, and last, which are great connecting words, and you can still use those ones, but we want to expand the amount of transitions we know to include some more different kinds of words to make our writing more interesting and engaging to the reader. So if you'll click on this sticky note right here, it's going to take you to Edpuzzle where you can watch a video that'll tell you more about how transition words are used. And then you can go ahead and review the different kinds of transition words at the bottom of the screen. So transitions are used when we're providing reasons. Transitions are used when we're providing examples or evidence. And then transitions are used when we're coming to a conclusion. Once you've learned about transition words, you're going to use that information to help you fill out your plan. Your plan is in the shape of our hamburger, which we talked about before. So you're going to title your informational essay. You're going to write your topic sentence. Now remember, a topic sentence introduces your topic of the whole essay. So what is it about? My advice would be to go back and read your writing prompt again. So your writing prompt is on slide 2. That's going to tell you exactly what you should be talking about in your essay. And you're going to rephrase that in your own words for a topic sentence. Next, you're going to use your detail wheel to fill in the middle part of your hamburger. And you're going to begin each one with a transition word. I would use a green transition word from slide 3. So to do that, you're going to go back to your detail wheel. You're going to take a look at your detail wheel and go, which 3 details from my detail wheel are the most important when it comes to how do animals survive so well in the desert? So I'm going to pick those details that have to do with camels surviving in the desert and what 3 things I think are most important. To help me, I might click on my text box where my information is. I'm going to make sure I have my crosshairs, which is those little arrows and the X. And I'm going to come up here and change the color. So I'm going to change it to bright yellow. Like, oh, I know this detail is going to be what I'm going to include in my essay. And so I'm going to want to pick 3 of these, make sure I got my crosshairs, come up here to that fill color bucket and press yellow. So for example, these are the 3 details I'm going to include. So then I'm going to take these 3 details and I'm going to insert them or type them again into my hamburger using a green transition word from slide 3. So I'm going to type those in a complete sentence and talk about how camels live in the desert. Last but not least, I'm going to summarize or conclude my essay with a red transition word from this box right here. I'm going to kind of review what did I talk about in my topic and what were the most important information in a sentence down here at the bottom. And this will be our plan that we use to create our 3-paragraph essay. If you have any questions, please make sure that you message us. We're happy to help you at any point. So if you're not sure how to open your second project and have 2 tabs at the top, if you're not sure which ones are the most important, message us and we can help you with all these steps. Have fun and good luck.